In today's tutorial, we are diving into how to make fringes in CLO3D. Whether you are designing a boho chic look or adding fun texture to your garment. Let's get started. Here I've got a bodysuit, and I want to add fringes along the bottom. First, go over to the 2D window and select Polygon tool. I'll draw the random pattern where I want to add fringes. Copy and paste for other side. Use the sewing tool Ctrl+N to attach the fringe pieces to the bodysuit. Ensuring they hang naturally and simulate the right flow. Now, add new fabric to the new pattern. Copy and paste for the back. Sew both the pattern. Once you've got your base shape, simulate it in the 3D window just to make sure it's sitting how you want. Now, let's make the fringe itself. Switch back to the 2D window. Select the Distribute Internal Line Between Segments tool. I'm spacing randomly, but you can make them thicker or thinner depending on the vibe you're going for. Repeat the steps. Now, select all the internal lines. Right-click, Cut. This is what gives us that dangling fringe effect. Repeat the process. Alright, time to see it in action. Hit the Simulate button and watch how those strips fall. Repeat the process. To make this even more realistic, let's add some texture. I'm going to add my same fabric texture for fringe as well. You can import your own texture too, just drag a PNG with a fringe-like pattern into the texture slot. And that's it, your very own fringe in CLO3D. Finally, let's show it off. Go to the Animation tab, hit Record, and let the fringe sway a little. I hope you found this helpful and feel inspired to try it out in your next project. Let me know in the comments how it goes, or if you've got any other tricks for making fringe pop. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit that bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.